Welcome to our comprehensive guide on event storming and event modeling. In this presentation, we will explore these powerful techniques for understanding and designing complex business domains. Let's dive in. Event storming is a collaborative workshop technique that helps teams explore and model complex business domains. It brings together domain experts and development teams to create a shared understanding of the domain and its processes. The key concepts in event storming include domain events, commands, aggregates, and red models. Domain events are significant occurrences in the domain. Commands are instructions to perform actions. Aggregates group related events and commands, and read models represent the data for querying. There are three main steps in event storming: big picture event storming, process level event storming, and design level event storming. Start by identifying and mapping out key events in the domain. Dive deeper into specific processes and their events, and refine the models with detailed data and relationships. Essential tools and materials for event storming include sticky notes, markers, and a large paper or wall space for mapping out events. These tools facilitate a collaborative and visual approach to exploring the domain. Event storming enhances collaboration, creates a shared understanding of the domain, and helps identify gaps and bottlenecks in processes. This leads to more efficient and effective solutions. Let's look at an example scenario: online shopping. In big picture event storming, we identify key events such as user registered, product added to cart, order placed, payment made, and order shipped. At the process level, we focus on order placed, including the events leading up to it, commands, and subsequent events. At the design level, we detail the flow of events and their relationships. Event modeling is a technique for designing systems based on events. It involves creating a visual representation of the system's events, commands, and read models, ensuring a clear and structured approach to system design. Key concepts in event modeling include event streams, commands, read models, and projections. Event streams are sequences of events, commands are actions that trigger events, read models represent data for querying, and projections transform event streams into read models. Steps in event modeling include identifying events, defining commands, creating read models, and designing projections. Start by determining the key events in the system, specify the actions that lead to these events, design models for querying data, and define how to transform event streams into read models. Useful tools and techniques for event modeling include the Event Modeling Canvas and collaborative tools such as online whiteboards and modeling software. These tools facilitate the process of mapping out events, commands, and read models. In our online shopping example, events include order placed, payment made, and order shipped. Commands include place order, make payment, and ship order. Read models are order summary and payment history. Projections map events to read models. Best practices for event modeling include using consistent naming conventions, ensuring clear event definitions, and iterative refinement based on feedback and new insights. These practices help maintain clarity and accuracy in the modeling process. Event storming has been successfully applied in various industries such as retail, healthcare, and finance to improve processes and systems. These real-world applications showcase the versatility and impact of this approach.